Gasky.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
You want me closest?
I'm Nigel Smith.
Nigel Smith. I'm Ashley.
Hi.
You want me closest?
Yes. I'm getting closer.
Okay.
We can get ready for our open house.
Hi, how are you? Okay, Eric.
Eric, nice to meet you.
You mind if I sit here?
Yes, you can sit right there now.
Awesome.
I can tell you all about Virginia State High School.
Oh, man.
So, are y'all looking to apply for a job?
Of
Yes.
course. Oh my
We,
God.
we actually just graduated yesterday.
Oh, that's
So
great.
I'm so excited.
So, what is y'all's field in?
Interdisciplinary studies is mine, but I actually do have a degree in mathematics as well.
Okay.
Same here as
So,
well.
we actually had 2 open positions for math this year.
Really?
Serious?
Yes.
What about algebra 1? That's what I teach.
We actually do have one for Algebra 1.
I'm the man for geometry.
Yes. we just went through a cycle of teachers, so we're looking for new teachers. So that's great.
Ooh.
So the main thing is that we want to make sure that you are certified. So the main thing, so you should have, through your college or university, you should have been certified through the National Board for Professional Teaching Standards.
Oh, yeah.
So y'all familiar with
Oh,
this?
yeah.
Of course, they.
It was part of our degree program.
That's
When we graduated as part of our requirements that we had to complete and fulfill.
What school did y'all graduate from?
We went to Virginia State University in Petersburg.
The best school ever.
So that is great, because if you have this, as long as you have the certification, you pretty much, as long as you go through the interview process, you'll have the job.
Oh, that is cool.
That sounds awesome. So, like, when can we start? Oh my gosh, I'm ready to teach.
He starts September 2nd.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
So that gives
So-
us like a few months.
To do our application and prepare and things
And
like
Yeah.
that.
we have time to do our portfolio.
And are you teaching there currently?
Yes, I'm currently teaching there.
And what are you teaching?
I am teaching Algebra 2.
Oh, really?
So you'll be on the same team as I will.
Oh, cool. Are you like the head of the math department?
I currently am.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
Well, I would love to work on you.
Yes. I can't wait to be your guiding teacher.
Definitely, I look forward to it.
Yes.
All right, well, that's cool.
I want to apply here.
That's good.
Hi, Miss Shanfelter. How are you today?
Good, how are you, Miss Collins?
I'm good. I see you're here early getting prepared.
Yeah, I need to get prepared for this group of children this year for my Algebra 2 class.
Okay, what are you working on today?
We're going to be working on some just basic equation, kind of remembering what they learned in algebra today.
Okay. I'm working on Pythagorean theorems today.
Ooh, that's a very tricky subject.
Would you mind if I use those books?
Oh, go right ahead and use it. That's fine. I'm not using it
Do
today.
you know where what unit it is on?
I believe it's Unit 6 for that.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken.
All right. Well, thank you,
You are more than welcome.
and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Hope you
Year is going to go. I am so excited to finally have 2 new teachers in our department, especially a male teacher. I truly believe that this change will be highly beneficial for the students. On the first day of class, it is important to establish good classroom management and to be organized. I know that these 2 teachers are prepared to teach our students. They both bring something unique to the playing field. I am really looking forward to seeing how great today is going to be for everyone.
Good morning, class. How are you this morning?
I'm okay, Miss Carol. Did you hear about what happened?
Hello.
Okay.
Girl, no.
Excuse me.
You lying. It's on YouTube.
Yes. Okay, so you guys, this is Algebra 1.
Algebra nothing.
You don't like algebra?
No.
What is algebra?
What is that?
You guys not know
But I don't have to use this.
You
so
calling us dumb?
what do you guys want to learn this semester?
Give me some food, because I'm hungry.
And I don't have nothing to eat, and I didn't eat anything last night.
Just text them.
Okay, well, can we please be quiet, please? Excuse me.
Girl, I heard Lala want to fight you.
Lord.
That's what she said yesterday on Facebook.
Oh, yeah, I heard that. She said she wanted to box.
Excuse me.
I don't even care.
What's your name?
It's right there, Miss Smith.
I can't read, Miss Smith.
That's too little. I wear glasses.
I know, right?
This class is terrible.
This is not working
This
out.
homeschool is.
Girl, she over there doing her makeup.
Right.
Uh-huh.
She's doing her eyes done.
Are we gonna learn or no?
Right.
We are, but you guys have to
We ain't got no papers.
Listen. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a problem. So, I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to do this. So we're gonna do X.
Did y'all see Jocelyn Hernandez last night?
Oh,
my gosh.
You mad.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
Can we pay attention? So what do you do?
Alright, can you read the problem from start to finish? Please.
Okay, please. Okay, listen.
Please read the problem from start to finish.
Okay.
Please.
It's
Don't turn around. Everybody there.
Okay, so Miss Smith don't know what to do. She don't know what she don't.
Okay, so X plus 3 equals 10. We're gonna subtract 3 on both sides. So it's 10 minus 3.
What is he doing? He just so bad at that.
11.
And what you gonna do, girl?
What you gonna do?
Girl, it's nothing.
He's gonna be the.
Sunny up in here.
Why you telling me like
He is late.
Anybody ask y'all who was late? Who was late in my classroom?
Well, I did lesson so
Hey, okay.
Y'all 30 minutes ago. Exactly. Why you so late?
I just want to introduce myself. My name is Michelle. How are you?
Test. I don't like your attitude and I don't feel like being here. And
You ain't teachers nothing, so why
but you get the test.
Why you not give us a test on the first
It's
day?
my classroom.
You tearing up paper?
This a raggedy test. I want my money back for this test, because I know when I pay $100 for this.
Did you just open the piece of paper at me? I know you didn't just open the piece of paper at me. I'm gonna have to call my daddy down here because it's starting to be an issue.
I know. I want you giving a test on what is this?
2 plus 2?
This is not calculated.
Y'all should learn before y'all be disrespectful early in the morning. Do you want to know the answer? You want some help?
He smell like alcohol.
You want some help?
Drinking. He smell like cigarettes.
Do you want some help? Hello? Do you want some help?
Okay.
Y'all want to help? Fine. That's y'all.
What is your name?
Read the syllabus.
You didn't give us a
Google me.
I'm tired of this.
What happened? I mean, what happened? Nobody cares.
Oh my God, it's like I could not get through to them. They would not listen. I tried to like do some props on the board. One girl was asking me, why don't you add? Like, they were supposed to learn this stuff last semester. Like,
Tell them that. That ain't your responsibility. Call them mama let them know that they need to get their kids together. And, yeah. Because you don't have time for that. I was in my class today and they tried it. They tried to act crazy. But I got them straight.
what did you do?
I gave them a test.
A test on the first day.
Yeah. And you know, little Bubba Quenisha, she gonna be just like her sister. She walking right here with these tight jeans on and this little foo-foo. I know her sister. I went to high school with her. She's gonna be pregnant. She's gonna be dropping out of
No,
school.
you don't say that.
And it's gonna be terrible.
Do not say you cannot talk about students like that.
Why not?
That's not confidentiality.
I ain't learned that in school.
Well, I think that because did I hear you tell a student to Google you when they asked you for it?
Yeah, because she asked Ruth, she's supposed to raise her hand, and she know they've been in school long enough. She's supposed to know the rules. I ain't no need for me to establish the rules on the first day. She's supposed to know them already.
Yeah, you can't. Oh my gosh.
Look, honey bun, as much as I appreciate your advice, I think you should probably focus on.
So we're gonna learn about the Pythagorean theorem today, okay? So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And is anyone in here, does anyone remember doing this a little bit last semester?
Kind of. I think C is the big side, right?
Yes, it's the hypotenuse, it's this side right here. And so this can either be A or B, and this can either be A or B. So if we're gonna find the hypotenuse, we're gonna have 3 over here and 5 over here. So we're going to use this, we're going to plug this in for a squared, and we'll plug this in for b squared. And what are we looking for over here?
C squared.
Exactly.
Could you label the sides?
Yes, I can. So C, A, is that good for you? Okay. So we have, what is A?
What's that little box being? I'm sorry. What's that little box?
This box is, it means that this is a 90-degree angle. Okay?
How are y'all?
Good.
How was your night?
Good.
Pretty good? Did y'all study? I know we have a quiz
A
today.
little bit.
And
Okay.
that
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
study guide you gave us, it worked.
It worked. It was
You know
good.
number 2, that was number 2 was a little.
Just it was.
Can you recall number 2 for me? What was it?
2x
Uh-huh.
plus 5 equals 25x.
Okay, so with this problem, remember, this is our variable, this x. But this x is grouped with the 2x. You see that?
Right.
So, because these are together, we're going to work with the 5 first. How do we get rid of the 5?
We subtract.
And why do we subtract?
Because
Yeah.
we do the opposite, right?
We do the opposite. You see this addition sign? What is the opposite of addition? We have addition
Subtraction.
and we have division and
Multiplication.
what? Hey,
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing wonderful. Hey, I came in with this question. So I'm teaching them about circles today, and you know, one of my students is really having just a tough time understanding.
Really?
And I'm not quite sure how to get through to him. I've tried a bunch of different methods,
Right.
but not everything is working. So I was wondering, what do you think about like using an online resource to kind of help reach him?
Let's see. Let's try do like something with like food or something. You know, kids
Mhm.
love food. So try like live pizza or buy pie. You know,
Uh-huh.
just section it
Ah.
off. Force, age, stuff like that. And I feel like he should get it. And if not, then I think in the technology
Mhm.
building across the way, I think that you can take your class over there, and they have a lot of websites that talk about circles. I took my class over there I think last week,
Mm-hmm.
and they enjoyed it.
Oh, that's
Test
great.
scores were through.
Because I know technology tends to reach these students a lot more, especially when you use 21st century technology.
And they stay on their phone in this class. But,
Yeah, so it's like if
I
you can
gotta
make
sit
use
down.
of it, you might as well do it, right?
Right. But everybody is doing pretty good. I hear your class is doing pretty well.
Oh yeah, I love my test. It took us a while to kind of get used to each other. I had to learn them, they had to learn me. And after I went to a convention actually, and it was a convention on professionalism, classroom management.
I went there
And
too.
the first 90 days, and it's helped me so much. Like I have folders, I have all kind of worksheets for my kids. I come in, they have
How
everything
many
laid out.
photos do you have?
Oh my gosh, I have to have at least like 75.
Oh my God, look at
And
you.
there's folders for
Organization is
everything, like literally, there's folders for everything. And I have them now where some of them, the students can actually go, and they can go in and get their work and put it out like, kind of at their own leisure, because, give them that independence,
Right.
and promoting that, in the school, because we do want to prepare them for the workforce or for college, so I want to make sure that they have the skills they need to be successful.
Understood. And I think my class is really starting to be warm to me now. They're finally listening.
I know, I walked
That
past them today and they were all
90
quiet.
That 90-day retreat, it was awesome.
Oh, well, I'm so glad to hear things are going good for you. That's awesome. Keep
You
up the good work.
You
I
too.
look forward to seeing how SOLs come out. Man, I'm pretty sure our students are more than ready to take those tests. And I'm just hoping we make it through evaluations this time.
good?
I'm so glad to be meeting with y'all today to see how y'all have been doing throughout the first 30 days. Have y'all seen anything in y'all's classrooms that y'all would like to discuss with me?
Things in my classroom have been a lot better than what they have been in the beginning. I struggled with a few things at first, but after going to a few workshops and doing some things and getting a little organized and working with her as a team, I can really see a big difference within my classroom.
Same here, because at first, when I first started here, I had no control over my students at all. It's like I was so soft-spoken. So I really gained a lot of classroom management, and the workshops that I have went to as well have worked out tremendously.
I agree with what y'all saying, because I've been observing y'all over these past 30 days, just kind of looking in on y'all's classrooms just to see how y'all have been going teaching your classes, and it seems like y'all have definitely improved. And y'all have said that y'all have went to a couple of workshops.
Yes, ma'am.
There are still more workshops that y'all can go to. Like I know we have one coming up that's like with dealing with difficult behaviors. Because I know at the high school level it can be a little challenging because you're gonna have all these different personalities.
Right.
Absolutely.
And also there is like a Virginia Education Association convention coming up. That would be very great for y'all to go to because that way y'all can go to like it's a multiple different workshops that y'all can go to. Just pick which workshops you would like to go to help with professional development.
Will the school pay for it, or is that something we have to pay for?
There will be a grant provided for you to go. You just have to turn in all your receipts.
Oh, cool. So it's kind of like an incentive for us to do better.
Yes,
That's
it
great.
is. Because you wouldn't get the opportunity to go if you weren't showing progress.
Right.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
I think I'll definitely be attending that, this for sure, because I can
Yes.
use that. And the opportunity for growth is really a great
Yes,
opportunity.
it
You know,
is.
my professionalism workshop that I went to a week ago, actually, it was actually in Newport News and as well, and it was actually really, really wonderful. I learned a lot about conducting myself. I learned a lot about how to carry things with my students, how to approach parents and things like that, and how to talk to my coworkers and my teammates. So I learned a great deal about it. It was really great.
That's good. My workshop as well, my classroom management one, mine was in Norfolk at the waterfront, which was so beautiful. But we talked about, they helped us, gain control and how to, not yell at them, but gain their attention, how to like have them focus on the work and not the cell phones and talking and things like that. And it really helped a lot.
So it sounds like y'all have found different ways to grow professionally.
Right.
Which is great because that gets you a very good starting point for the whole year so that way you'll have learned all your mistakes, fixed all your mistakes this year so you can use the experiences from this year to help you with next year.
Mhm.
Because that is always great.
Absolutely.
Have y'all thought about getting like a master's degree in anything?
I've been
I've
considering
been
it.
thinking about that as
Um,
well.
you
I've been
know-
thinking about going back to Virginia State. I'm not quite sure yet. Like money wise, and I still have to pay off my loans and stuff like that. So.
Mhm. And with me just graduating, it's just like, well, I just got finished with 4 years of school, but I'm definitely starting to see the benefit in going back to school. So it's definitely something that I'm considering. I'm not too sure about what I want to do with it, but it's rolling around there somewhere.
And Virginia State High School does offer, also as another incentive for you to go back and get your master's. We will pay for it for your class after you get an A or B in the course.
Really?
So that's another good little incentive if you want to go back. And it really is funded through Virginia State University.
Oh, cool.
That we really work with Virginia State University so they can work with you. Because they're really good programs. Because since y'all are for math teachers, there's a math department one to get your master's in education.
Okay.
For the master's in math education, sorry. And so you want to get that. As well as there's also one if you wanted to, you can get some like a curriculum and instruction one.
Mhm.
So that way you know more with curriculum. Even though it's more with elementary, but you can also definitely use it at the high school level
Oh, cool.
that they have.
Yeah.
So do you,
We have our portfolios
Yes.
here, but that's well.
and let me look at those so I can see, to make sure y'all are properly putting all your information into your portfolios because we want to monitor our students' progress.
Right.
So you see how y'all are progressing as teachers as well as how the students are progressing as well. Okay, it looks like you have everything in here. You have some student work in here. Okay, looks good. So just keep on putting more information in here as the year progresses, and that way next year it shows even more, so you'll be able to show even more experience.
Mhm.
So just in case you do want to get a job at a different school, you have this and you're representing Virginia State High School very well.
Absolutely.
And we work together on these portfolios.
Yes, we definitely did these together.
Teamwork means teamwork, right?
Yes. It looks like you have everything as well. You have some good examples of student work. You may want to get a few more pieces in here, and you as well, to get some of the bad student work as well.
Mhm.
Okay.
You want to make sure you have those in there, because you want to see but then you want to show their progress as well.
Right.
Okay.
Because you brought them from the low point to a lot higher.
Years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old,